I've got an antique Singer 66-1 with red-eye decals. The serial number is G5991686, which dates it to 1918. The hand crank is mine, but there is a Boss that you can mount a motor or a hand crank. The wood base is mine. These two items do not come with the machine. I'm just using it to show you it works. It's been serviced. Decals are good. Little red tint though on the lower decals. And basically I've got 6 layers of denim. They were already stitched once for photo used in the ad. And just going to show you how well it stitches. And there you can see it's got an equal stitch on both sides.